guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word nебо, or sky. Let's say the first syllable with good Russian default mouth position. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Nie. Nie. There's almost a slight Y sound built in. Джо танк липс. Nie. Nie. The second syllable is simple. Tell your brain the O sounds like a schwa and the whole syllable is shorter than any English syllables. Let's try it. Джо танк липс. B. B. Now the whole thing. Джо танк липс. Небо. 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!